Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. Scientists at the University of Chicago have made a groundbreaking discovery that's poised to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Imagine being able to breathe new life into old batteries, restoring their original performance and range. That's exactly what researchers from the Pritzker School of Molecular Engineering and their visiting scientists from the University of California, San Diego, have achieved. They've developed a new type of material that expands under pressure, shrinks when heated, and expands when crushed. This unique behavior defies conventional physics expectations and exhibits zero thermal expansion and negative compressibility properties. The implications are vast, not just for electric vehicles, but also for construction and manufacturing industries. One of the most promising applications is in electric vehicle batteries. By using this material, researchers believe it's possible to restore old EV batteries to their original performance, potentially extending their range by years. This means that drivers won't have to send their battery back to the manufacturer or vendors, but rather can simply activate its voltage to bring it back to life. Imagine being able to revive an old car with a battery that was once on its last leg. Not only would this save drivers money and hassle, but it would also reduce electronic waste and minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing new batteries. This breakthrough is changing our understanding of fundamental science and offers hope for a more sustainable future. Longer-lasting batteries could entice more people to drive electric vehicles, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. It's a game-changer for the EV industry, and we can't wait to see where this technology takes us next. That's all for now from ElectroDrive News. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations in electric driving.